Hi everyone. Okay, I did it. I subscribed to Citrus Twist. I did. I couldn't help myself. This is how it came, like this. And this is, I guess, how they come in general. And I could not resist anymore because once I read the description that said everything is exclusive to Citrus Twist, I was like, that is what I'm looking for. That is what I want. So this one is, what is this one called? I don't know what it was called, but it's this month's kit. I don't know, but let's look at it. So this is the stamp. You get a stamp set, Life Crafted. I think that's what this one is called. Life Crafted Excursions, I think. So I don't know if they have a referral program, but if they do, and if you want to join and they do, then let them know I sent you. But I'm excited to work with this company for both my Project Life and my TN. I'm pretty sure it's called Life Crafted. Oh, it says Excursions Kit. That's what it says. Excursion. And look, you can use this too. This is like plain, so you can use that as something, an embellishment. So cool. So it's a travel theme kit because we're in the travel season for June and July when kids get out of school, whether it be camping or, you know, visiting grandparents or something like that. These are puffy stickers. Hello, puffy stickers are life. Puffy sticker letters, which I love the fact that you get all kinds of them and you get numbers. I love when they add numbers to things. Makes life so much easier. And look at, I love labels. Love labels. Oh my gosh, look at that. I think I'm going to be really happy with this company. Now they are a bit spendy, so, and you get a little, I guess it's like for a junk journal maybe? It's a piece of a book. It's kind of weird. It's weird, but it's cool. Yeah. So this is their exclusive paper, and that's what got me. I love this. This is for like a TN. So, and then it says happiness. That's Bus, by the way, in Kit Kat. Oh, and you get double-sided. Oh, nice. Double-sided. And a 4x6. Oh. Now, who does My Little Journal? She on YouTube. She uses this kit. I think she's part of the design team. And these are cut aparts. So you cut these labels out, which are nice. And then you have little well, I mean, they're not dashboard. I just got done filming Coco Daisy. They're papers, 6x8, I believe. 6x8 papers that are exclusive to them. They're only one-sided. Pretty. Oh, that one's pretty. I love that. This is awesome. Waves. Cool. And then you have 3x4 cards. I think they had different ones you can choose, like 12x12s or something like that. And they're double-sided. Cool. You are in the right place. Explore. Small adventures, big memories. Loving. There is sunshine in my soul today. Reminds me of Small World at Disneyland. Yikes. Currently. Loving 3. Excited for today. Look how bright this green is. That is awesome. It's an awesome green. This is our moment. Explore. Ooh, and look. Okay, so I don't have to take these out because they have them all listed in the back. Now, if you're pretty, I'm one to put all my ephemera into just a pile. But if you were someone who likes to keep things together, or you don't have enough room to separate things, what's nice is if you use something from this pack, if you say you use like this flower and you used it, then you cross it out. And then if you use this tag, you cross it out. That way you don't have to keep searching in this little bag for stuff. You just start crossing out things that you use. So, just a little tip. Okay, alright guys, I'm pretty happy with this. I think it's, I'm going to say it's between $32 to $38 for this kit. So, yeah. Alright guys, so like I said, I joined, so we will see how next month's kit is. Alright guys, take care. We'll see y'all next month. Bye.